Hey, welcome to Smart Money Finance. Do you want to know why everyone from Elon Musk to your neighborhood coffee shop is talking about Bitcoin? What if I told you that this digital currency could change the way we think about money forever? Stay tuned, because in this video, we'll break down Bitcoin like never before. By the end, you'll not only understand Bitcoin but also know how to use it practically and make informed decisions about your financial future. Let's travel back to 2008, the year the global financial system collapsed under the weight of its own greed. Trust in banks was at an all-time low. Amid this chaos, an anonymous figure or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto published a 9-page document that would go on to revolutionize finance. The Bitcoin White Paper. In simple terms, Bitcoin was designed to be a decentralized currency, money that isn't controlled by governments or banks. Imagine this. You're living in a country where your government suddenly declares your hard-earned money worthless overnight. This is what happened in countries like Venezuela and Zimbabwe. Bitcoin offers a solution to such crises by giving you full control over your wealth. So, what exactly is Bitcoin? At its core, Bitcoin is a form of digital money, but unlike traditional currencies, it's built on something called the blockchain. Think of the blockchain as a digital ledger, a record that's shared across thousands of computers worldwide. Here's a quick way to understand the blockchain. Imagine you and your friends keep a shared notebook where every transaction is recorded, and everyone has a copy. This eliminates the need for a middleman like a bank. Every Bitcoin transaction is verified by a network of computers called nodes. These nodes ensure that nobody cheats the system. And the best part? It's all transparent. You might be wondering, why does Bitcoin even matter? Well, here's the harsh truth. Traditional currencies lose value over time due to inflation. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has a fixed supply of 21 million coins. No central authority can print more. This scarcity makes it similar to gold, except it's digital and far more versatile. Think about this. If you had invested just $10 in Bitcoin in 2010, it would be worth millions today. While past performance doesn't guarantee future results, it highlights the potential of this revolutionary asset. Even financial giants like Warren Buffett have called Bitcoin risky. Yet its performance has consistently outpaced traditional investments like the S&P 500. All right, let's get practical. How can you get your hands on Bitcoin? Here are 3 simple steps to start today. 1. Choose a reliable exchange. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken make it easy to buy Bitcoin. Do your research and pick one that suits your needs. 2. Set up a wallet. Think of a Bitcoin wallet as your personal safe. Hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor are highly secure, while mobile wallets like Trust Wallet are convenient. 3. Start small. You don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can invest as little as $10 and own a fraction of it. Here's a practical tip. When setting up your wallet, always back up your recovery phrase. This phrase is your only key to accessing your Bitcoin if you lose your device. Keep it secure and never share it. Data shows that a lump sum investment in Bitcoin has historically outperformed dollar-cost averaging for long-term holders. But remember, invest only what you're willing to lose. Bitcoin isn't just for investing. Here are some practical ways to use it. 1. Online shopping. Websites like Overstock and Shopify accept Bitcoin. 2. International transfers. Sending money abroad with Bitcoin is faster and cheaper than traditional methods. 3. Donations. Many charities now accept Bitcoin. Before using Bitcoin for payments, check the transaction fees. During high network activity, fees can spike. Use tools like mempool.space to monitor fees. What does the future hold for Bitcoin? While nobody can predict with certainty, here are some trends. 1. Institutional adoption. Companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy have invested billions in Bitcoin. 2. Bitcoin ETFs. These funds make it easier for people to invest in Bitcoin through traditional markets. 3. Global acceptance. Countries like El Salvador have made Bitcoin legal tender, paving the way for broader adoption. 4. Government proposals. Initiatives like the U.S. Bitcoin Reserve Fund could solidify Bitcoin's role in global finance. But remember, with great potential comes great responsibility. Educate yourself, stay informed, and make decisions that align with your financial goals. And there you have it, everything you need to know about Bitcoin as a beginner. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to learn about Bitcoin. Let's grow our financial knowledge together.